Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to organize products in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we need to head to our admin panel. So from here, you will need to go to products and then we can simply start sorting and organizing our products. So simply we can find the WooCommerce here and then we can find also the products page. So here we can go to our products and basically you can start organizing your products by selecting a category or by sorting them. So from here, you can uh, filter by something. So here you can search, etc. So you can select by casual or filter by some kind of uh, criteria. Or we can simply go to category and from there you can start categorizing your products. So you can add a category, for example, a casual, and from there you can edit and start adding uh, items or adding the products to this category, and by that you will be able to organize also your products. So let's just go back again to the categories and then you will need just to click on here you can view the casual, and as you can see it is also uh, organizing your products. Another way to do it by just simply sorting, and as you can see there is the default sorting by popularity or average rating, etc. And those are the ways on how you can start organizing your products in WooCommerce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.